The Gems and Jewels. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to show you how I did this pot plant with Dollar Tree bowls. It's nothing groundbreaking, but I thought it was cute. I have another wall art project coming up to use Dollar Tree bowls as well. Sorry about the shoes and the carpet fresh. So I took Mod Podge and I took some glitter, dumped it in, used a spoon, spinned it around, painted it top and bottom. This is a Walmart trash can. And then when I was finished with that, I used three of the dollar bowls that are connected, the Dollar Tree bowls that are connected. You don't want to use the single ones except for on the top. I took some gray paint and I just decided to paint that, any cracks that you would see or anything like that. You don't really see much, but just for extra coverage, I thought I would add it. Now, at the end of this, when I was finished, I didn't like the top very much, so I added another single row, and those were the singular Dollar Tree bowls. I think they come in like a 2-pack or a 3-pack, and they're not connected. But for the rest of this pot, you're going to want to use the ones that are connected. Otherwise, the ones that are singular, they don't line up as nicely. So I just used it for the very top. So since this was my first time doing this, I wasn't quite sure where to begin. So I kind of tried to center it so that the top and the bottom were like equally distributed and you'd see the glitter portion. So I just hot glued the 3 bowls all the way around the pot. Be careful to line them up because once you start, going around the pot, it can be a little tricky since it's circular. Excuse me. I decided I didn't like just the hot glue, so I incorporated E6000 to go with it. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just line it up with the other one. Remember to get the 3 bowls that are attached and just go around the pot. So this is what it began to look like without the top on it. And it wasn't until I put the plant inside of it that I didn't really care for it. So I added an additional row of bowls like I was telling you at the beginning of the video. Remember, those are the singular bowls. They don't line up the greatest. And unfortunately, my plant pot, see it? It has a lid or a lip. It has a lip on it. So that was kind of a pain to get the adhesive in the bowl to stay. But before I did that, I did the same thing as that I did the trash can where I took the Mod Podge, the glitter, and then I dumped more glitter on the top. And as you can see, this is the hideous pot that it came in that I didn't care for. And this is what it looked like when I was finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this. I know it's nothing earth shattering, but like I said, I thought it was cute. I'll see you guys next week.